What's going on, folks? Stefan down at Victory Nissan. I'd like to show you our 2015 GMC Canyon. We got new tires on it. It's got the bed liner in there as well, four-wheel drive. Comes equipped with a tow package and a backup camera as well. Hopping on the inside, you can see all the features that we have here for you. Whenever your phone's hooked up, you can use all your applications on the screen here as well. It's got the IntelliLink. You also have your lane intervention. You can turn all your safety features on and off just by pushing the buttons up and down. Navigation's already installed on it as well, as you can see. All your hands-free settings on the steering wheel for you to make sure you're abiding by the hands-free laws. They don't play games around here. Seats are in good condition. Comes equipped with a clean Carfax. Original owner's manual, got the wheel lock for it as well. Let me know what I can do to earn your business today, sir. Stefan down at Victory Nissan. I look forward to working for you in the future.